people, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today is Tuesday, so it is Terminator Tuesday, guys. And we have got issue 89 of Build the Terminator, and this is going to be a very short video today because we really definitely haven't got much to do in this issue. Like I say, the Terminator issues can be very short at times, but we've got to build it, so let's get modelling. Right, let's get started. So we need to bring these two bits across. Now we're calling these leg parts, so all we need to do is we just need to push this bit into place like that, and yeah, that's a nice push fit connection, and that went in quite easily. So yeah, we've done that. We need to put that to one side. But the next thing we need to bring across is we need to bring across the Terminator. And what we're going to be doing is we've got a cap here that we're just going to secure in place. So let's get this in. And then we need to screw this down with a PM 3x12mm Allen screw. Now this will tighten this joint up, so it won't be as flexible, but there's quite a few turns on this screw. But I can feel that tightening up now. And that has really tightened up the leg, so I'm just going to take it off a little bit, just not have it as tight. Still very tight. Wow, a bit more, and that gives that enough flexibility to move. And that is it for issue 89. So yeah, we've built this bit that we need to put to one side, and we've also finished off the hip joint of the Terminator. Wow, what a quick issue that was. I keep banging the desk for some unknown reason. Yeah, I haven't had a quick issue of the Terminator like that for quite a while, but it's just the way it is, unfortunately. So there'll be a video out tomorrow with it being X-Wing Wednesday, but then there's not going to be any videos out until I think it's the 4th of January when I'll start releasing videos again, because that's the first Monday after the new year. And like I keep saying, there are going to be some changes in this room as well, so I'm really looking forward to doing them. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.